Yeah, so this is the bicycle parts, and this is the rim, which sometimes you can refer as the wheel, but it is referred as rim. And these are the tire, two of them, and the two rims. So the rim will always go into the tires, and that is how it's been assembled. But then in the rim, there are many parts that support the rim. We have the valve, which is the very small part here, and the valve allows you to pump your air into the tire. Then you have the spokes. All these are the spokes. The spokes support the rim so that the rim will not deform. And we also have the hub, which is just right in the middle here. The hub allows the wheel to spin because the hub is contains the bearings and all the mechanisms that allows the wheel to spin. And we have the brake calipers, which are going to be found here, or which are normally assembled in this place for the braking system. Then we have the disc brake. We also have the hub. I think I mentioned the hub already. So that is it. And remember, we have the pumping nipples here. So that is it about the rim and tires. Then we have this part, which is very important parts in the bicycle. This actually goes directly to the hub, and this is referred as the fork. Yeah, the fork is very important part of the system because it supports the handle. It goes up until the stem, where you have the headset, which is gonna sit on top of this place. The headset is where you hold to drive or to ride your bicycle. So this is the fork, and it is quite a very important part of the bicycle because it supports the bicycle. And this is the stand. If you are riding your bicycle, you need to have a stand so that when you ride your bicycle at the point, you need to stand it. Yeah, and this is very key part of the bicycle also. This contains a number of parts. This contains the tube top, it also contains the down tube, and it contains the seat tube and the head tube. So you see it's like the heart of the bicycle. The seat will be, the seat or saddle, actually it's called saddle, but most people call it seat, stays here. And the crank seat comes in here, and you have here the head tube that goes, the head tube is right here that goes to the headset and support the headset, whereby this place is the side which supports the cassettes, and that is towards the rear wheels. Okay, so this is the entire support system for the bicycle, and it's quite an important part of the bicycle, and you need to know what and how to assemble this, which we're going to show you in our video. Now we have the crankcase, we have the chain covers here. This simply covers the chain so that the bicycle looks neat. In some modern bicycle today, you're not gonna see the chain cover. We also have the tire covers, which some people call motor guards. This allows you, or this helps you or protects you from being sprayed by sand while riding your bicycle. But in most modern bicycles, you're not gonna see this. And this is the back one, and this is the front one. And you can see the back lights, so that when you brake, someone behind you will see it. But basically, apart from braking, it's also like a reflector to avoid accident when you're riding. And this is your tool bags, where you're gonna put your tools. When you open here, you put your tools for assembling your bicycle. If you have emergency on the road, so it has a tool bag. The handlebar is where you hold and ride your bicycle. So you can see the stem here, and this is where you can hold and ride your bicycle. Here it contains the brake lever and the gear shifter, where you can shift the gear and where you can also hold the handbrake. Yeah, and then you can see the accessories These are all different accessories which you need. Like here you can see the bottom crankshaft or the bottom crankcase. The bottom crankcase, oh sorry. The bottom bracket is located in this place, and a number of other things like the seat carrier and a number of other accessories. And here is the saddle, which is like the seat. Okay, people call it seat, but it's called saddle. And importantly, I want to show you something surprisingly, which I doubt you believe is gonna be here. That is the pump, okay, for pumping our bicycle. So you can see the pump here. You can use it to put air in your bicycle. So guys, we're gonna show you how to assemble the bicycle in our next video with all the steps. Okay, yeah, so stay tuned. Thank you.